Hey guys, welcome to Main Street Live. I'm your host, Bobby Vaughn.
And I'm Teresa Gillis.
And it's another cold, dreary day here in
Is that
Amherst.
dreary? Is that dreary? What's wrong with you? It's snowy, but it's not dreary.
It's dreary. Anyhow, that should not stop you from getting out downtown and supporting our local businesses today.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so what's going on?
We have a lot of things coming up.
We have our comedy night. We have a
We do.
meeting tomorrow actually at 8:30 a.m. at Arabica if you want to be involved in putting together the comedy night, which is Saturday, February 24th. We have a lot of good comedians lined up for that.
We do. And
yeah.
we need people to volunteer. If you don't want to be on the committee but you want to help out that night, let us know because we need people to help sell. We're going to be selling some raffle tickets. We are giving away a smart TV, and that is sponsored by Scott Chacho from Allstate Insurance. So we'd like to thank him for doing that. And then we have, what else do we have?
Cooler. We have an awesome cooler
It's
filled with some great things.
It's an Orca cooler, and that was donated by Step 2. And then all of the items inside the cooler are donated by Giuseppe. So we want to thank Paul for that.
Yeah, and we want to let you know, get your tickets now. We're only selling 300 tickets, and they're going fast. You can get them at Old Town, Etc. Boutique, Sandstone Counterworks, Monteriors, and of course at Main Street.
Yeah, absolutely. You can go to mainstreetamherst.org/tickets with an S and backslash. It'll take you right to the page. So they're $30, like Bobby said, and for $30 you get lots of laughs, and you get a drink, and that can be a water, a soda, or a beer, or even a wine cooler. And you get a popcorn.
It's a great time. Yeah. Last year was our first one, so this will be our second one we've done.
Yeah,
It's a good time, so get your tickets now.
Yeah, so what we're trying to encourage people to do is, the reason why we're doing the comedy show downtown Amherst in the cinema is because we want people to come downtown, go shopping, go to dinner beforehand. After the show, you might want to get a little nightcap at one of the taverns that are, that are open, and maybe you want to have dinner afterwards.
Right.
It's a late dinner, but you could. So we're just trying to promote the businesses in Amherst.
Eat, drink, laugh, and play.
There you go.
Amherst. Yeah.
Awesome. So the other thing that we want to mention is we have our wine and chocolate walk that's coming up in May. So we're putting together a committee, and they are getting together on February the 15th at 5:30 at the Main Street office. So if you want to be a part of the wine and chocolate walk committee, join them that day, February 15th. I believe it's a Thursday at 5:30.
It is. The day after Valentine's Day.
Oh, it is the day after Valentine's Day. That's the other thing I wanted to tell everybody. Don't forget, next Wednesday is Valentine's Day. So you need to go out and get your little sweetheart something.
Yes, and right downtown Amherst, we've got you covered. We have everything you need to get your sweetheart a gift or candy or a candle or whatnot.
And speaking of candles, if you'd like to make a card for your loved one and a candle as a gift, tonight at Sandstone Candleworks, they're having a little party where you can make a card, handmade card, and make a candle. So give them a call if you want to join them this evening.
Sounds good. Sounds
Where
fun.
are we today?
Today, we are somewhere a little relaxing. I think we are at Watson Wellness.
We are.
Yeah.
So we want to introduce Jeremy Watson, who's standing off over here. Come on, you can get in the middle.
Pickle in the middle.
I like that you have somebody in the middle. So tell us a little bit about Watson Wellness.
So Watson Wellness, we're primarily a chiropractic facility here. We treat a lot of back pain, neck pain, headaches, things like that. But we do a lot more than that. We get into a lot of other wellness things. We started doing dry needling recently. We do medical massage therapy.
But let's back up.
Yeah.
What is that?
So dry needling, it's similar to acupuncture.
And I've had this done.
Oh,
I had
really?
this done when I broke my clavicle. They did it to me.
Nice.
So
Good experience?
Good experience,
Good.
yes.
Good. So we use the same needles that the acupuncturists use. The difference being it's more Western medicine than Eastern medicine. So I'm feeling around, looking for trigger points, tension in the muscles, and then we use the needles essentially to relax the trigger points in there.
Oh,
So,
interesting.
yeah, we get some great results,
Personally,
especially neck
it did. It
pains.
helped on me. It went all the way up in my neck. Even though it was for my shoulder, it really helped.
Oh,
So
nice.
that's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. So how long have you been here?
Just about 2.5 years already. Yeah, so it's
And
going
look
quick.
at this beautiful, you just stepped right in and here it is.
Yeah.
It was all
Yeah.
done, right?
Not quite. Yeah. It was a lot of work. We gutted the whole place right down to the brick walls, but it was a cool historical building, and we had a lot of work, but a lot of fun restoring it here. Got to lay everything out exactly how I wanted it. So.
Do you want to take us on a little tour?
Please, yeah, come
We're
on.
going to make Mike take a backwards walk down the hallway.
Okay.
And,
And I could see your mission is right there on the wall, which is great.
yeah.
Yep. Got our mission statement there, providing a center for holistic healing here. So this is our front desk. Always have a smiling face. behind the front desk and greeting everyone when they walk in.
Nice.
We do get into some retail supplements and a lot of chiropractic related items. Vitamin D, very important. Everyone's taking their vitamin D supplements right now, being in the wintertime here. And we'll move on down the hallway here. The first room over here we'll show you. This is my exam room. So I bring all my new patients in here. We go through a full history, full physical exam, see exactly what's going on with people, whether it's spinal restriction or muscle issues, imbalances. And then spend a lot of time explaining to people what's going on with them. And then we do some adjusting. I do a lot of hands-on what we call spinal manipulation or chiropractic adjusting, and get people on treatment plans to try to get people ideally 100%.
So do you ever take a nap right here?
I do not
Just
take naps
asking,
in here.
just
No,
asking.
it wouldn't be convenient. We get a lot of requests from patients if
Like,
to
take a
take
nap.
naps in here. Yeah. If I was napping, I'd use a massage room.
There you go. All right.
And then I'll show you one of the other treatment rooms here. This is what's called a flexion distraction table. So we do treat a lot of lumbar disc issues.
Okay.
So the table is designed to essentially traction out the lower back, take the pressure off of the discs. And this is where I do a lot of treatments. The dry needling we have set up over here with the needles and gloves, alcohol swabs, and all that here. So we use these rooms for that as well.
That scares me a little bit.
That scared me at first too.
Yeah, it's
not as
actually,
bad as
yeah,
think.
you rarely even feel the
You don't.
needles going
Okay.
in. Over here we have some of our other therapies. We do a lot of electric stim, ultrasound. There's an inversion table over here. Some more rehab, that kind of stuff in here for back pain and just trying to, really get people healed
So
up
do you?
here.
This is probably, well, I guess no question's a dumb question, right? But do you work with people like that have like a shoulder replacement or anything like that?
Yeah, we don't do like post-surgical rehab per se, but a lot of people, of course, have had joint replacements and different things like that. So we don't do the acute rehab phase of it,
Okay.
but it's not a contraindication to carry. Even spinal surgeries, we generally stay away from that area, but there's certainly things we can still do. It's all modifications. Everything we do is totally custom tailored to our patients. So depending on their history and their issues, we tailor the program to them. So
Nice.
it might not be aggressive manipulation, but more stretching, mobilization.
And you tend to do more of a holistic approach too. And,
We
and-
do.
And get people away from those pain meds. And all
Exactly.
those things.
Yep. And chiropractics, and especially with the opioid crisis and the,
Oh, yeah.
the heroin epidemic and everything, it's a nice drug-free approach to, and very effective approach to treating pain instead of just sitting at home and taking another pill. So,
Absolutely, definitely.
Yeah.
Anything else you can think of that you want to talk about?
I can show you the
Yeah.
massage room. We're actually going to be putting together a nice Valentine's Day package
Oh,
with
nice.
massage therapy gift certificate, some sandstone candle products, and
Oh, look at
and
this
a
room.
few other things in there too.
Wow, this
so
is really nice.
yeah,
Yes.
that's not big right now, but more
Wow,
of
look
our,
at that. That's
massage-
nice and fluffy,
Yeah.
comfy. Now I know where I'm coming for my lunch hour.
Yeah.
Very nice. I didn't know you
Yep.
had. Is this new?
No, we've
No?
had this. Yeah, we have
Okay.
2 of these rooms like this here.
Very
so.
nice.
Yep.
Nice. And then you have a little lunchroom somewhere.
Yeah,
too,
we
right?
have like our little conference room. It's kind of a mess right now, but yeah, we put in a full kitchen.
That's
and-
really nice.
Yeah, little
Yeah.
break room for the staff.
You did a
and-
really
yeah.
nice job.
Thank you.
Real nice
Appreciate
job.
it.
Yeah, beautiful inside, and
Yeah.
I know
Still
what it looked like
smells new,
before.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does still smell new. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, how can they get a hold of you if they want to make an appointment?
Best way is just to call. They can certainly stop in during our regular business hours, but 440-452-7420.
Okay.
You get a lot of information on our website, watsonwellness.net. Also, since you're on Facebook now, like our Facebook page, it's Watson Wellness Inc.
That's great.
And we do free lectures also at the Amherst Public Library. A lot of times we'll have 50 to 70 or more people there.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, so we're going to be talking this year about gluten allergies, food sensitivities, inflammation, a lot of different nutritional topics.
Great.
So you can get more information on our Facebook page for that. Everything's updated, and they're actually recorded. My wife records them.
Oh, nice.
So people can go on our Facebook page and watch our past lectures.
And
as
I'm
well.
going to assume that they can go to the library if they want to get information. Maybe
Yep.
they might have some stuff about that as well.
Definitely. Go to the
great.
library and everything's there too.
So, yeah,
All right.
awesome. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks for coming.
Anytime.
Appreciate it.
I want to tell everybody, don't forget, tomorrow morning is the meeting for Amherst Comedy Night, so if you want to be involved in that, and then again the 15th for the Wine and Chocolate Walk. I know that the tickets are going to go on sale on March the 1st.
Yes.
First time I'm mentioning it.
Yes.
March 1st, Wine and Chocolate Walk tickets go on sale.
And those go very quickly.
Yeah,
too, so-
325 tickets will sell, and they usually are done within a week. So anyways, well, thank you so
All right,
much.
guys. We'll see you on Valentine's Day.
Yes, we will.
All
don't,
right.
don't forget us on Valentine's
That's right.
Day. See you later. Have
Bye,
a good
guys.
week. Bye.